One day I was at the masjid and I see this Mexican guy come in and he starts to pray, but he's praying all wrong. I told the brothers, I was like, I don't think this guy knows how to make salah, you know. So why don't you guys go talk to him nicely, you know, ask him where he's from and thing. So the brothers went and talked to him and they were like, you're Muslim? And he's like, yeah. Like, well, where'd you take your shahada? He's like, what's that? How'd you become Muslim? So he said his own story. He said, you know, I was watching Fox News. And as I was watching Fox News, they talked about Muslims being terrorists and murderers. And I was like around gangs and I said, man, these guys are really gangster. Like we shoot each other here and there, but these guys, man, they're blowing up whole blocks. These guys are on it, man. So I said, I didn't know any Muslims, so I started asking, well, who are Muslims? Oh, I said, they have a book called the Quran. He picked up a Quran and started reading. And he said, as I started reading and I started researching online, I said, no, Muslims are nothing like what they show on TV. And alhamdulillah, he didn't meet any Muslims, but from that, he accepted Islam. So now when you speak to him, brothers tell him, tell me your story, how you became Muslim. He said, Fox News made me Muslim.